Adherence to COVID appropriate behavior is the only way to reduce impact of a third wave. Fresh daily cases of the coronavirus globally after touching a new peak of over zero point 0.9 million on April 28 begin to drop steadily, reaching a low point on June 21 when only over zero point 0.3 million cases were reported. Stop. But there has been a rise in cases again globally since then. Stop. July 15 saw 0.53 million daily cases, and the second week of the month witnessed nearly 3 million new cases. Stop. A total of 188.9 million cases have been reported worldwide as on July 15, driven in most countries by the highly transmissive Delta variant. Stop. A total of 111 countries now have this variant. Stop. Brazil, India, Indonesia, UK, and the Colombia have reported the most cases in the past week, with the sharpest increase being in Zimbabwe 72%, Indonesia 44%, the US 38%, Bangladesh 35%, and the UK 30%. Stop. Many Asian countries, including Vietnam, Malaysia, South Korea, and Japan, where the spread was under control, have also been reporting a high number of daily cases. Stop. Indonesia has been a surge in new cases, with each day witnessing a sharp increase over the previous day. Stop. With 56,757 cases on July 15, Indonesia is now the new Asian epicenter. India reported over 39,000 cases on July 15. Stop. According to WHO, COVID 19 deaths are increasing again after falling for 9 straight weeks, with the sharpest upsticks in Africa and Southeast Asia. Stop. On July 7, the total global COVID 19 deaths crossed 4 million. Stop. It took just 90 days for the last million deaths to occur, the shortest time spent for every 1 million deaths recorded. Stop. The US and much of Europe have demonstrated how high vaccination coverage can sharply reduce the number of deaths and even hospitalization. Stop. For instance, with over 87% of the adult population vaccinated with one dose and over 67% with two doses in the UK. Stop. There have been fewer hospitalizations and deaths despite spikes in cases. Stop. In the US, the case rise is largely in states with low vaccination coverage and deaths mainly in the unvaccinated. Stop. Over 55% of the US population has had one dose. 48% are fully vaccinated. Stop. This brings the focus back on increasing vaccination coverage and striving for global vaccine equity to prevent deaths and the emergence of deadlier variants. Stop. Ironically, the discussion is some countries in on a booster dose, even while healthcare workers in many African countries have not been fully vaccinated. Stop. Israel has begun giving booster shots to people with a compromised immune system, while the US has ruled out booster shots for now. Stop. With several Indian states reporting vaccine shortages, strict adherence to COVID, appropriate behavior even by the fully vaccinated is the only way to delay and reduce the impact of third wave. Stop.